package from Hot Collectibles that we're going to be opening on stream today, and once we go through the contents of this mystery package, I know there's at least one kit in here, so whatever kit is in here we will build. If there's multiple kits, then we will pick one of the kits that we'll build. So I'm really excited. Hot Collectibles is a Canadian company based out of British Columbia. So I'm super excited to be working with a Canadian company because shipping over the border, very difficult, very pricey, very pricey. Plus it's always nice to support local, even though local is across the country. Very nice.
Done.
You want to grab those scissors for us?
Some scissors?
Some scissors?
Whoa.
You're gonna let me open it?
You asked for this, yeah.
I did ask for the scissors. So because this package just looks like a normal package, Peanut drew out the Hot Collectibles logo. So this is in Peanut's branding. Look at this.
I know.
Isn't it so cute?
It looks so good.
She gave him some little blushy blush. And
He's so happy.
Look
at him.
Smiley face in the bottom.
You
know when you get like a present on Christmas Day and you start shaking it to see what's inside of it?
Yeah.
It doesn't give a lot away.
No.
Are you gonna let me open it then?
Yeah. Yeah.
With my special left-handed scissors.
Yeah, I can't use those.
Yeah, sorry ma'am. Because you're right-handed, you're not allowed to handle these scissors.
The police will arrest me.
Alright. The box has been opened. Oh, very good.
Nice. Okay, I'll hold the sides.
Money shot!
Wow, that looks good. That is a money shot.
You want to grab some of this paper off top? Oh, it's gonna get caught in my chair 100%.
No, it's fine.
Look at all these goodies! First we got the business cards.
Ooh. Oh yeah, see? Let's
This is
show them.
this is what the logo looks like.
Isn't that nice? It's got a nice shine to it as well.
And this is what Peanut drew.
Hold them side by side.
Beep.
Look at I love that it catches the light.
They're very shiny, yeah.
We can give these to all of our family and friends. Where do we, things on top?
Things on top. A balancer I've never used before, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to use.
Bestseller. Balancer series.
I'm sure you guys are familiar with what these are, balancers. I've never used one before.
Do you need the scissors again?
No, I'm just gonna
okay.
unwrap it.
I'm very excited. I can already see things on top. For me.
Are they panel lining
These
pens?
are panel liners.
Oop.
Black and gray.
I've learned so far that this side feels funny, so I feel like this is the side that you use.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you wanna? Yeah, it feels like a super high grit, doesn't it?
Oh.
Where'd you put your panel line pens?
Just down. Whoa.
So you got a gray and a black?
Yeah. That feels super weird.
We love our panel lining pen. We get so much use out of it. So to give you another color is going to be really handy.
I want eventually the whole rainbow.
The whole rainbow.
I want all of the colors.
Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is this for me? Is this for me?
Is for me?
Is for me?
Can I open that?
Yeah, you can open it.
Can I open it?
Is for me?
The white side will make it extra glossy. It's not one-sided.
It's double-sided? Okay, so is this to use? I don't want to do it on my finger because that's gonna feel gross. Ugh.
Do it on your nail. I dare you.
So after I sand, I use this side, and then this makes it glossy.
How does it make it glossy?
Yeah, double-sided. Whoa. I love these. Panel lining terrifies me, and this is something that even I can use. Yeah, the felt tip pen.
I want to.
We both got little goodies.
The urge to touch it to my, because that's how I test
I'll
markers
use this
and stuff.
today. I'm gonna figure out how to use this today.
Do it.
Whatever we build.
I've used black panel liner before, because it's very accessible, super easy. Let me grab one. Let me grab the little boy.
Little boy? What do you mean? Oh, I thought by little boy you meant our cat.
The new. Let me just grab the cat and I'll test it on the cat. I did black panel lining on this. This was like the first thing ever I panel lined. So they're really easy to use. I want one in like every color, and I'm serious.
Yeah, I don't panel line. Normally Peanut does it, and I got to panel line once, and I was like, give me the barker. I want to use the barker.
Yeah.
Look at these! So we have like the $15 God Hand Nippers. These are the 120s.
What's the difference?
So this one is gonna give a lot cleaner of a cut than the one that I have now.
It's
The one-
sharper.
Essentially. So the one I have now leaves a lot of stress marks. It doesn't cut super smooth.
It does. I have, yeah.
So I've never used anything other than our $15 one. So I'm excited to see if
This is true.
like if you notice a difference, if it feels different.
I'm sure you will. Yeah.
I'm so excited. We got spoiled, and there's still more in the box.
I know. These are just the little goodies on top.
I gotta stop.
You can,
peeking. Oh, look at as I pull it up, it's backwards, so you can't
Oh,
see what it is.
it's a secret.
You'll never know.
Secret. Who has any guesses? Any guesses? Anyone?
Oh, they can see what this one is. I'm gonna hide that. No pixies.
No looking.
How do you feel about a German gun tank?
Gun tank. Gun tank.
Which way am I supposed to? A Tiger 1.
Tigers are my favorite animal. Oh my god.
1/48 scale. We've never built anything that scale before.
What is this? Small? Big?
Big.
Big? It's not a very big box. How?
Cause what we
How does that add up?
These are 1/144s. HGs.
140.
Yeah. So 48, smaller number than 144, which means 1/48 would be bigger. Because 1/1 is real size.
But bigger number.
Math hard.
But bigger number.
Math don't make sense. Big tank.
1 over
Tanky boy.
bigger number.
Tanky
How?
boy. I wonder if our grandfather, our Opa, the German side of our family.
I did
build
mention
tanky tank
that I
with
would
us.
be interested in building a
I
tank.
can't even read this. Oh no. Panzerkampfwagen.
Yeah.
Panzerkampfwagen.
What does comp mean?
Life.
Panzer is tank.
Life car? Tank life car?
Tank.
Our German is rusty. Half of our
Tank.
family is German. We don't speak it. We do our
No,
best.
don't speak a lick of it.
I see an RG Skok in that box. You mean this bad boy?
This is
This is an RG. We've
This
never
is
built
Char.
an RG before.
No, this will be our very first one.
We've only ever built entry grades, 30-minute missions.
Sorry, I'm just snooping. I like the little the claws it has.
Look at this bad boy.
It's got a pair of digging mitts, you know?
You do have a pair. He reminds me of a submarine.
Oh, she just
Sorry,
hit
I didn't
you.
mean to bonk you guys. What store
Bonk.
is that from? I'm glad you asked.
I'm glad you asked. This was sent to us by a good friend. Hot
From Hot
Collectibles.
Collectibles.
In BC. Canadian. Whoa!
Okay, I'm excited. I've never built an RG before, so I don't know what an RG is gonna be like.
How German, but also not in German.
Oh, true. That is. We wouldn't be able to read the German instructions anyways. Ma'am, are these all the stickers you get?
I think so, yeah. Very fun.
Oh, nice. I can't wait to spend all my money at Hot Collectibles. Very pog.
This is cool.
Yay!
Can I see?
Yeah, you can have this one.
You can have this one.
Oh, I'll put this over here.
Yeah, I love the mitts on it.
Can I pull out this one though? Because this is the one that I knew we were getting, and this is the one that I'm super excited for.
You could do whatever.
Peanut silence means yes.
Ew!
Oh, the skeleton!
Ew, that's disgusting. That's nasty. Who would do this?
I'm gonna build it and leave it just like that.
That's cursed.
That's amazing!
Ew.
So RGs have skeletons, right? I think that's the whole point of an RG is they have a skeleton underneath and you put everything else on top, whereas the HGs we built don't have that.
I hate it.
I love it!
I
it
hate
looks
it.
so funny!
That's gross.
I can't wait. Spoopy Scarlerton. He's fantastic. I can't wait.
Ugh.
Okay,
Get
so
that
this,
out of my
this is
face.
what I was waiting for and I knew we were getting.
Do you want
Big
this on
box. You take this big box. Okay. Because I have always wanted to build a waifu. And today we were given a waifu.
Oh,
This is an Asura Red Ninetails.
she got...
And I am so excited because I want to build a waifu so badly.
I have a lot of respect for her.
I know the box is kind of red, so I don't know how easy it is to see her. Waifu Gundam. Waifu.
I'm in love. This is my new girlfriend. We're gonna build her today on stream.
Oh, you've decided this is the one we're gonna build?
That's the one. We're building
We're
her.
gonna build the waifu?
My...
See, 1/1 scale.
My girlfriend. Yeah, so small number means small. If you
She's
say
gonna be
tank,
this big.
if you say tank, 1/big
Tank big.
number mean big, but 1/1 mean very
So-
small.
What I think I understand about waifu kits is they have like some customization to them. And I think it's based on like their poses, their outfits. So it looks like she's got different faces. She has different boobies.
I'm in love.
I wonder if the instructions will tell us to use a certain set of boobies. The more you know. Yes! Sounds scientific. There is a lot of science that goes behind it, I promise you. Astra Nine Tails.
I'm very
Homura.
distracted when you show me the box for some reason.
I'm not even pointing at the biddies.